You remember those doors we replaced up here in Warroad, Minnesota? If you didn't see that video, we were up here last fall replacing those old doors in this facility and replacing them with our Survivor Series polycarbonate wash bay doors. The doors that were in this facility had lasted 20 years, and that's honestly a really impressive service life considering the climate and wash bay conditions these doors are subject to for almost 2 decades. That being said, they started showing signs of age, and the owner wanted to keep his operation running smooth, and he wanted to give his customers a great experience. As we know, every day your car wash is down, you've got a serious expense in itself on your hands, plus your customers, they're gonna vanish. After replacing those old doors, we upgraded the door operators in this facility to the new SmartJack unit. Our SmartJack is the newest door operator in the market, and it's designed for operations just like this one. In fact, we treat Warroad, Minnesota as one of our cold weather testing facilities for our products. You see, just about any door operator is going to work in a dry, climate-controlled facility that doesn't use the doors more than maybe just a couple of times a day. That isn't what we concern ourselves with here at American Garage Store Supply. We intentionally seek out the worst possible environments and conditions when it comes to our product development. We know that if we can build our products to survive the absolute worst environments possible, our customers will have no issue running them in any facility of theirs. What we love about Warroad, Minnesota is that wild climate and temperature changes that we see here. You can have several 90-degree days back to back in the summer, plus 60-mile-an-hour winds in the spring and fall, and minus 40 degrees in the winter. Add a little wind to that, and boy, we have some tough conditions. Our SmartJack VFD electric units were installed on all 4 of these doors about a year ago, and they have a combined cycle count of over 50,000 cycles. That means that these doors were open and closed on the warmest days, the coldest days, and everything in between. They continue to work without any issue today, and we expect these to provide the owner with a trouble-free operation for many, many years to come. Now let's go back to those doors. As you can see, our signature stainless steel hardware, magnum rollers, and specialty coated door components show almost no sign of wear at all. In fact, when you get past the dirt and debris from the wash cycle, the material on the door looks brand new still. You could easily clean these doors up in just a short amount of time, and they look just like the day you put them in. Our stainless steel hardware is still in really great condition, and it isn't binding up or slowing the door cycle down at all. Our Magnum Supreme rollers are keeping this door smooth throughout the entire door operation as it moves up and down and throughout the track. As a result, this wash facility is running like a finely tuned watch. It keeps ticking away, rain or shine, and it keeps profitable even in the worst conditions. And above all, it gives your customers a great experience. Now, by spending 30+ years in the door industry and specifically in these nasty environments, we've just about seen it all, and we can help you with just about any door project, big or small. Give us a call today and let our experience go to work for you. I can't wait to hear from you.